Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Gather tools, a manifold gauge set, vacuum pump, refrigerant scale, hose with can tap, and R134A refrigerant. Confirm the Subaru Forester refrigerant type and specified charge weight from the underhood label and owner manual before adding refrigerant. Wear safety goggles and gloves, work outdoors, or in a well-ventilated area away from open flames. Ensure the engine and a /C are off when connecting gauges. Inspect service ports for damage and use the correct low and high side adapters to avoid cross-threading or leaks. With gauges connected and valves closed, run the vacuum pump and pull the system down to at least 29 inches of mercury and hold for 30 minutes to remove moisture and air. Close the gauge valves, isolate the system, and watch for any pressure rise for 10 minutes. Any rise indicates a leak. Use a soap bubble solution or an electronic leak detector to locate leaks and repair them. After repairs, repeat evacuation until the vacuum holds steady before proceeding to charge. Attach the refrigerant can to the scale and set the manifold low side valve closed, high side closed. Start the engine, set a /C to maximum cool and blower high, and open the low side valve slightly while holding the can upright to add liquid only if instructed by the can tap. Normally add vapor. Add refrigerant by weight to the exact amount listed on the vehicle label. For example, if the label specifies 24 Oz, 680 G charge, stop at that weight. Monitor pressures during charging. Typical running pressures near 25 degrees C are about 30.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.